Hey there, and welcome back to my channel. Have you ever accidentally deleted important photos, videos, or documents from your SD card? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to get them back for free using an amazing software called 4DDiG. 4DDiG is a data recovery tool that helps you retrieve deleted files from different storage devices, including SD cards, hard drives, and USB drives. The free version lets you recover a good amount of data, making it a great choice if you're on a budget. You can find the official download link in the video description. To get started, download 4DDiG for your operating system, whether you use Windows or Mac. The installation is simple. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Once installed, you'll see the main screen showing all your storage devices. It offers different recovery options. You can recover files from hard drives, SD cards, crashed computers, and even do an advanced recovery for videos. For this demonstration, I have my SD card plugged into my PC. Let's open it and check out the files. As you can see, I have photos, videos, and audio files stored on it. Now, I'm going to format the SD card, which will erase everything. Now that the SD card is empty, let's recover the deleted files. 4DDiG interface, select the SD card option. You can also pick the types of files you want to recover: photos, videos, or audio. Choosing specific file types increases the chances of finding what you need. After making your selection, click Scan. Now, 4DDiG will scan the SD card for deleted files. This process may take a few minutes depending on the size of your card. While scanning, you might start seeing some recoverable files. The software even lets you preview certain files, like photos, to make sure they're the ones you need. During the scanning process, you can pause or stop at any time. You can also switch to File View to sort files by type, such as photos, videos, and audio. Once you find the files you want to recover, select them and click Recover. Now, choose a safe location on your computer to save your recovered files. Do not save them back to the SD card, as this could overwrite data and make recovery harder. And that's it. You've successfully recovered your deleted files from your SD card for free using 4DDiG. This software is easy to use and can be a lifesaver in data loss situations. If you need to recover more than 500 megabytes of data, you can upgrade to the paid version. The link is in the video description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments if you've ever used 4DDiG and how your experience was. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.